Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I'm Sarina. Welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday to all of you. Happy quarantine because this Sunday we have nothing to do, just quarantine and staying at home and relaxing. You've read by the title, today's Sunday talk topic is about what do dreams really mean, because for the past few days I have been dreaming really crazy stuff and I don't know what they actually mean. There are some dreams that are repeating itself which I really want to know what it is. So let's discuss about dreams and let's discuss about what do they mean, and is it got to do with reality or future or past or our previous life, or it's like past life aggression. So let's get into the video. Okay, you saw that my video intro, like the intro video of my channel has changed because the past video that I had, I lost the video for some reason, so I don't have it with me currently. So I made a new video too. I hope you liked it because it was just normal. Anyways, coming to the Sunday talk topic, you guys must be also thinking that I'm not posting videos like challenges or things like that, because I'm having a rough time right now because of the quarantine and things like that, lockdown. We cannot go out, we cannot do anything, so challenges to dur ki baat. But anyway, I have shot a video with Sneha which is very difficult to edit currently, so I am not editing that. I told my mom to help me out, so she said okay, she will see to it later on. So today's Sunday talk topic is really interesting because I'm going to talk about dreams and what do they actually mean. Well, I am not a psychiatrist or I'm not a dreamatologist. Like, I'm just making up this word, okay? I'm not a dreamatologist, but I still feel that these dreams are very, very weird. Well, dreams, coming to a very short discussion, dreams actually are the things that we are consciously or unconsciously thinking behind our heads, or sometimes what happens, dreams show you the future, or sometimes dreams also show you what reality is. So I've been dreaming of these couple of things for the past few days, and I don't know what it is actually. I'm dreaming of the different kind of feelings and emotions that I have within me, which is kind of helping me to feel, or it's kind of bringing me to that moment where I'm feeling like, either this thing happened in the past life, because I'm dreaming the same thing constantly, or the person I'm dreaming about is thinking about me, or the person I'm dreaming about is unconsciously constantly behind my head, and I'm not even thinking about that person throughout the day, but unconsciously I'm thinking about that person. I don't even know. So I know this topic is really silly, but guys, dreams really mean a lot. So when you're dreaming something repeatedly, or you're dreaming something that is going on in your head over and over again, please look into the matter and find out what you're actually dreaming, whether it's normal or not to dream that same dream constantly over the time. Like, at least what I dreamt last night, on a serious note, what I dreamt last night, I've been dreaming for the past 3-4 days now, and I'm constantly thinking, why am I dreaming that same thing? I don't understand. And of course I'm not going to share what the dream was, but it's something that is got to do with my unconscious, my unconscious being, and I'm constantly not thinking about that person, but I'm constantly getting those flashbacks, or I'm getting something. So people say that if you dream about a person that you are not thinking about, either you're insecure about that person, or the person is thinking about you, or something is there. So whenever I dream about something, I always tell my mom, that I've dreamt about this and I've dreamt about that. So for the past few months, so it started from last 2 months. First week, I was dreaming about drowning underwater. It was a repeat of every day. And I was thinking, why am I dreaming about water? So I asked my mom that, why is this? And she said that either you are thinking that you're not doing well in your life, or you're thinking something that's the reason why you're seeing of water, or you're feeling like, you're not doing well in your career wise or studies wise, or something you're not feeling. And I said, studies mein to kuch hai hi nahi padne ka ab to. There's nothing to study, there's nothing to do. So what will I think about my studies? So that's one, that's cancelled. Then she said, you're scared or insecure about something, that's why you're drowning underwater. And I'm feeling like, what am I insecure about? She said, unconsciously you have a teenage mind, right? So in your teenage mind there's a lot of things going on, so that's the reason why you must be thinking about that. That was it. The second month I saw, like the second week, I saw people getting married. A lot of times people getting married. The third week I saw that I'm constantly entering a jungle and I'm seeing like a lot of animals and things like that. I don't understand. And these dreams are repeating every single day. Usually what happens is, dreams don't repeat itself. Like, it is not constant, it changes, it's not monotonous. But my dreams, I don't know what's wrong, it's monotonous. So I really want to know about what's behind my dreams, constant, every repetition. I want to know what it is. For the last 3 days I have been dreaming about this person who I have nothing got to do with anymore. This person is getting married. And to the person who I don't like. So this person is getting married to this person who I don't like, and in my dreams they are making me feel so insecure about who I am. And as a human being, I don't know whether they're thinking about me or I'm not even thinking about them. I don't know, but this is happening. So I could not share this to my mom. I was telling my mom, because I must have had a rough year at high school or middle school or inter school. That's why I'm seeing this. And actually, I didn't have a good time in school when I was in 9 and 10. I didn't have a good time where friends and things like that are concerned. I've always, I've always been told that I'm not good in my own way, or in 9 and 10 I didn't have friends because this is reality. I didn't have friends because they always put me down in different ways. Those friends even now hate me. So in 9 and 10 I really had a rough year. So I think those things are coming back. I don't know, but it's not in my thought at all. I've moved on a lot and I've become who I am now. But those things always flash back. If I'm not thinking, it's coming back in my dreams, and it's giving me that set of thoughts again, what is happening, and it's repeating itself. I don't know, but there are these phases also. It's giving me proper anxieties. I'm thinking, why is it coming back again? Where past life aggression is concerned, I think walking into a jungle or walking into water or walking into something got to do with past life as well. I don't know, but I don't want to also go through what I went through in my past life. There are times when I tell my mom also, I think I know you for a long time. And she says, of course I know, you're 17 years old, you know me because I'm your mother. I'm like, no, I always think that I know you, for a long time, for generations I know you. And she said, you're not even of the generations, you're of the generation. So what is the problem? I said, I don't know, I just feel like that. I always tell my mom, I don't think that I've come into the family recently. It feels like I've come into the family for a very long time. So these kind of feelings just pour in all the time, and I don't give it too much thought, because if I do, my mind is going to just become very fickle and it's going to be all distorted all around. So I'm like, don't think about it. But for the past few days, the dream that I'm seeing is giving a lot of flashbacks and is giving me a lot of anxiety problems. I'm just questioning myself all the time, what is happening, what is not happening. So if you are dreaming of something that is repeating itself, or it's giving you bad thoughts or negative energy around you, make sure to look into the matter, because people say that dreams don't matter. They do matter. Humanly, it's not possible to go around and look what is actually happening, but within yourself you can question yourself and ask what's happening. I went and googled what is the meaning of this dream, and they in Google they are saying, you know, either you're thinking about the person a lot, but I'm not even thinking about the person. Very honestly, I don't care, but I don't know what's happening. Consciously there are certain things that I am constantly thinking about, but it's not about the person personally, but it's about the people who I'm around, just who I am around. And there is this negative energy, I know, you know, but I don't know how to explain it. But just do not leave your dreams behind. Always think about what you dreamt last night. People, when you ask people, you know, what did you dream last night about, they'll be like, I don't remember, it was good or it was bad, I don't care. But do not act like that. If you've dreamt something that you felt like was super important to you, give importance to it. Do not leave it astray. Always give importance to your dreams, because your dreams can tell you a lot. It can tell you about what's happening with you in reality, what's going to happen to you. Lot of things it can tell. So please don't keep it astray. Dreams do mean a lot, and this spider is just walking towards my phone, so I have to just keep my phone this side. But guys, please look into your dreams and do not leave it behind, and see to what it actually means. Dreams matter. Dreams do matter. I really want to know why am I dreaming this thing right now. But anyways, for past few nights also I'm not getting good sleep, so I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I just wanting to stay calm and see what happens for the next few days now. So please give importance to your dreams. That's all I want to say. And share some typical dreams of yours on this channel in the comments below, so that I know what things you were dreaming about, and I can give more, what is that, focus. I can focus more on your dreams as well as mine, and kind of like, you know, put one into one and think, why am I dreaming something like that? Maybe, I don't know, or maybe my dreams are talking about something in the future, or something in the past, or something in my past life, or God knows, I don't know, I have no idea. But I'm trying to find out, because I have nothing to do, so that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to find out what's up with my dreams. Anyway, it was nothing much. It was just about what the dreams actually mean. If you're seeing something like this, please let me know. If you're seeing something repeatedly, and please find out what your dreams actually mean. It really matters. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead. And until we meet again, toodles.